Alright guys, welcome to another episode of An Idiot's Guide to Getting Started in Property. Today we're going to look at how to maximise the value of your garden and potentially add thousands of pounds onto the sale price for just £550. We're going to start off by cutting down the redundant wall at the back, cutting a gap big enough for 2 cars, and we're going to use the bottom of the garden as a driveway. Oh! Bounce back off that.
Don't break my sledgehammer.
Is it made of wood?
Broke 2 shovels. One was a metal one.
Oh, my phone's strong. He didn't break the second shovel, did he?
Yeah.
No,
it's already broke. It was just the handle.
The cost of this was £150 digger hire for the day, £150 hire for the driver, plus around about £140 for the aggregate to go as the base for the driveway. And by the time you factor in the hire of your disc cutter and your labour, you're looking at around about 550 quid. This project took us about 5 or 6 hours, so not really that long. And I think you'll agree that it looks much better as it is. I hope you've enjoyed the video and it's given you an idea of what I'm talking about. Hit like and subscribe, much appreciated.